Welcome to The Style That Binds Us. My name is Alison, and today I want to talk to you about a trend for the upcoming season that we're very excited about. It's the 70s look, a revamp of the 70s. Valentino used it in their upcoming resort collection for 2019, which really inspired me to go look in my closet to see what I could find, and that's something I wanted to tell you too. You don't have to go out and buy all new things if there is a trend that comes up that you really are moved by. Look in your closet first, and then you can add a few new things maybe to make it feel more modern. So some things to look for could be a flare jean or a wide leg jean. You can also find a big high-waisted great wide leg trouser like this one. A ribbed top. When you're wearing a wider legged bottom, you want a tighter fitting top. And anything that's ribbed, you may remember if you're old enough, that was a big thing in the 70s. It's a big thing again, ribbed sweaters. Another part of the trend, silk scarf dressing, which I absolutely am obsessed with right now. They're making dresses with it, shirts. You can tuck this in, you can tie it at the waist, you can leave the back hanging out and tie it at the waist or tuck part of it in. Lots of ways to wear this, very versatile. Then, speaking of scarves, another trend that we're seeing a lot of, well, another part of this trend would be the scarf. You can wrap the scarf around your head, put it on with big oversized Jackie O type sunglasses and a hoop earring, and you've got the look down pat. You can also use it to wrap the scarf around your neck. A few more things to look for in your closet or to shop for if you like the trend. A saddle bag. It can be a large saddle bag. This is a small one, which is nice because it can be a crossbody too. Hoop earrings. It doesn't have to be your classic gold hoop, but that's certainly a very easy way to get the 70s look. You can also go with something that has a little more interesting shape, and that could be the modern revamp look for the 70s. Talking about sunglasses, oversized big sunglasses. There again, think Jackie O. And last but not least, a great platform heel. A shoe like this with a wide leg pant, a tight fitting top, a great scarf wrapped around your head or tied around your neck, a hoop earring, and you're ready to go. Revamp for the 70s style. For our first look today, I'm going to style Delia in a flare jean, high-waisted, and I'm going to put a dramatic top. This has the wrap tie that can be wrapped several different ways. It's simple, but it's very dramatic in its design. And I'm going to put it with a large sunglass, a platform heel, and a big statement hoop. You can also add the crossbody saddle bag as an accent. And this color leather was very big in the 70s, and it's going to be again this year. Another look is going to be this ribbed top. The ribbed sweaters were very big in the 70s, and they're back with a vengeance. Everyone's making their own version of it. And if you're wearing a wider legged pant, it's better to have a fitted top. So this will go with the flare jean, a scarf, a big sunglass, and there again, the platform heel, and some sort of statement-y, hoopy type earring. You can take this same top and change the pant to this slightly dressier flannel high-waisted with the stitching in the accent. Or you can put that with just a simple camisole. Very sexy 70s vibe. The last look I want to talk about is silk scarf dressing. It's huge. I'm obsessed with it. They're making dresses that look like they're made from a silk scarf, and this is the top. It can be tucked in, it can be tied at the waist, it can go with a high-waisted jean, it can go with a blue jean skirt, or if you want to be really funky, you can put it with something like this flannel pant. Platform heel, some kind of cool earring, and you've got the trend. And maybe you just put your investment into a silk scarf shirt. The other you could find in your own closet. And there you have it. You're part of the trend.